This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Lasky. Fabulous floor plan. You will love the ability to have a third bedroom. Entryway leads into a spacious living room, formal dining room, open kitchen, breakfast room now used as a reading area. Huge family room, split bedrooms, third bedroom now a den, walk-in closets, 2 full baths, spacious master bedroom, master bath with jacuzzi tub, screened back patio, open front patio, tile floors, washer dryer, 1-car garage, accordion, hurricane shutters, hurricane approved front door. This is a 55+ community active clubhouse, heated saltwater pool, card room, exercise room, low monthly maintenance $79. Includes lawn service and house painting every 7 years. There is a one-time capital contribution of 0.5% of the assessed valuation payable to the association. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Lasky at 954-752-5100.